Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to change your Google profile picture on any Android phone. So let's get started. First, open the Google app, or you can simply open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Google. Now tap on your current profile picture or your name at the top. Next, tap the big circle with your photo, or tap the camera icon on your picture. Choose Change or Select Photo. From here, pick your new photo, either from Google Photos, your device gallery, or take a new picture with your camera. Select the option you prefer and choose the photo or logo you want to use. Crop or adjust your picture the way you like, then tap Next or Save, and finally tap Set as Profile Photo. And that's it! Your new profile picture will update instantly across Gmail, YouTube, Drive, Meet, and all Google services. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.